Welcome. In front of me is a Tapo home camera, and today I'll be going over unboxing along with a quick look at this product. So this is the Tapo C230 to be more precise, and it's supposedly a pen tilt AI home security Wi-Fi camera. Now the AI can be shoved up the Tapo's ass because it means as little as basically literally anything that now has AI on it. So yeah, anyway, it's basically a Wi-Fi camera. The same thing that we used to have some time ago with no AI in it, and it works the same way. So this is basically Tapo's version, which Tapo, to be more precise, is TP-LINK basically, which you can kind of see right here. Now, putting it open. Come on. There we go. You can get in, and inside we get foam for protection, a quick start guide. These, if you don't know, you can stick to the wall, and these are basically drilling mounts. So you just drill exactly in these spots, and that is where these screws would attach to. I don't know if it's on here. Nope, there is no attachment right here, so there it is. So it's right here, and if you look at it, you can see that these line up perfectly. So just a little simplification for mounting purposes. And then we get the screws, barrel plug right here, and that's about it. Now the camera itself is looking exactly the same as most cameras like this, with a surprising, or not surprising, microSD card at the bottom and reset, and yeah, it basically pans around and moves up and down. Uses Tapo app for this, which if you have never used it, I have a smart plug from them, and it seems to be working just fine, no problems there. If you ever doubled into like the smart home crap, you will notice that there is a decent chunk of trash that just doesn't function well. So this should be functioning well. From experience, the smart plug that I have works flawlessly. I had no problems so far with it yet. So I assume this should be the same. The actual home security camera, whatever you want to call it, has a microphone in here, and I believe built-in speakers at the back, so you can communicate with people using it. And I also want to point out that the design of this is almost more identical to something that Xiaomi, for instance, offers. So at this point, you're just kind of picking which software you want to use, and I guess what brand, as the products look identical. Now, I don't remember what the Xiaomi model is of this, but like I said, they have exactly the same looking thing. So yeah, anyway, that's about it. So if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.